So this lab is going to become a little bit confusing. And so you're going to have to remember who you are connected as and to what. So if things aren't working right, the first question you should ask yourself is, who am I when I'm actually connecting to the database? Okay, so as you can see, there is within this connection, there is this server. There's this thing called login groups roles. Okay, and you can see here are some groups that are created by default, but there's really only one user. That's if you did what I said, then it's Postgres. You could have named it super user or sys or something like that. All right, but we want to create two users, and let's just call them, I don't know, for the purpose of the demonstration, let's just call it user one, and we're going to define this thing by the password, and the password's going to be user one, and it does not expire. So you can see here's where some guy in the background is saying, every 90 days you have to do this. Well, this one's not set up to do this. And we'll make sure that that person can log in, but he's not super user. He can't create roles, can't create databases, etc. And then if we wanted to, we could add him to members of certain groups. So maybe you have a group called editors or something like that. And in that way, you can assign permissions to the group and then just add people in and out as necessary. This is the actual SQL that is used to execute in the background if you just wanted to happen to see it. They've padded that out. Create role this. Okay. And we'll go ahead and click on save. And you can see that it has created a user called users. All right, or user one. And let's see, we'll go ahead and create another group user, and we'll make it, I don't know, how about user two? And password user two. You know, if you want to just make the password Postgres for everything, because it is a pain to try to remember all these passwords. And make sure that person can log in, and we'll click on save. All right, so you don't have to disconnect. Let's go ahead and just do that. We'll come up here and wait. How do we disconnect from this? Disconnect from server. There we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to create two more connections. They call them servers, and if you want to, you can do that. But so let's do create. Wait. Server group. User one connection. Save. You know what? This is not right. Hold on a minute. Let me